Welcome, Teresa Tomeo with John Hale from Corporate Travel and one of our amazing guides in Italy. His name is Daniele Medino, and he is a PhD and has studied for so long and knows so much about the history of the beautiful area that we're in. We are in the northern part of Lazio, the beautiful old town of the city of the popes, Viterbo. It's going to be part of a very unique pilgrimage that we are doing. It's going to be called La Dolce Fede, the sweet life of faith, and we're going to take you in the footprints of the popes and of St. Peter and St. Francis. Will be in Assisi, Orvieto, here and other towns in Lazio and Umbria. And John, what a great trip it's going to be.
Oh, Teresa, it's really special. You know, something that we both like to do very much is to bring people to places off the beaten path, something a little, new and different.
Yes.
But yet very significant for the faith. I mean, we just stood in front of the altar where St.
Thomas Aquinas
gave his sermon to the people of Viterbo, and this is such an
Who
important
knew?
place
Right.
for the popes, for the papacy,
Yes.
for the faith, for the
Yes.
church, and here we are.
One of these very unique little towns that a lot of people don't visit, and Daniele, this is so incredible, the amount of history here associated with the church.
Yes, and we are in the main square. People behind you, there is the very famous papal building, the place where the conclave was born. The typical way in which we elect the Pope was originally made here in Viterbo.
Look at this, just beautiful. And a lot of these towns many people don't even know about. It's a little bit off the beaten path. You'll still see Rome, all the beauty of Rome. We also see, as we mentioned, Assisi and Orvieto and the Eucharistic miracle there. So please join us for the Sweet Life of Faith, La Dolce Fede, coming up in November. All the information here, or you can call Corporate Travel at 1-800
727-1999.
99. We'll see you hopefully in Italy. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao.